In this video, we are going to specify usage of Polymer and Yeoman scaffold application. Polymer is a popular framework which was built by Google, and it has capabilities of providing you polyfills and sugar, which enables your web component to be embedded in the modern browsers. In order to utilize Polymer, we can use Yeoman, which comes up with a generator, and that generator provides Polymer scaffolding using Yeoman. It helps you to easily create elements, customize elements using command line, and then later import them using HTML import to be used in your application. This approach saves lots of time and also provides you a well-structured approach of building applications. One of the elements that we use with generator Polymer is Polymer element. Polymer element can be used in order to work with individual Polymer element to have better control over specific Polymer element and can provide reusability to these elements across various applications. In order to build your element, you can use Yeoman yo command along with Polymer, because Polymer is the generator element, followed by name of the element which you want to scaffold. It will internally create a directory and it will provide you capability of editing that particular element which you have created using Polymer element command. Second is you can have entire control over application by using generators capability of implementing subgenerator called Polymer app. When you use Polymer app, it scaffold initial index.html, which provides you capability of deciding and depicting initial page that need to be displayed to the end user. It also adds grunt file.js, which provides you capability of automating various tasks and execute that task whenever there is grunt call. It also provides a predefined well-structured pattern-based folder structure, which will carry common meaning across your team because you are adopting a standard in order to build your Polymer based application using generator. And above all, it provides you capability of even using your styling using SAS Bootstrap for project styles. So it provides you rich capability of style sheet by using SAS Bootstrap. Now, how actually Yeoman generator is used? In typical scenarios, you can go and you can use generator to create a web page which can be located on Express server or server of your choice. Yeoman generator takes responsibility of reading the element registry from browser context and then returns the required data to the generator. Once data is received by generator, this dynamic data and the templates are combined together to generate directives. And these directives are outcome which can be included in application to give user better user experience. Now, how to use Yeoman generator? We need to follow a workflow, and that workflow starts with directive. You will have directives which creates generator. This generator uses template in order to build a robust directive which includes capability of generator. Finally, you will have web server which provides capability of building content which can be embedded in the browser. And this browser have access to Polymer element registry which is embedded within main document. And finally, main document will use various Polymer elements by importing them from Polymer element library. So by using combination of directive, generator and template, you can build headless web component which can be utilized by various modern browsers. Let's have a look over creating a particular element. Assume that we want to create an element called post. We'll be using command called yo polymer element. It starts asking certain questions. We'll be answering the questions. We'll keep the default, like first question that it will ask is include constructor. We are specifying no. If you want to import to index.html using HTML import, you can specify yes. By default, it is no. If you have other elements and if you want to import those elements as well, you can specify name of the element or you can leave it blank. Finally, your polymer colon element, after taking answers to these questions, will create an element and it will put it under app folder which contains elements, and name of that element will be post.html. This post.html will contain a polymer file. This polymer file will have a root element called polymer element, where name will be name of the element that you are creating. Since we have specified post, it will be post element. It will embed inside template opening and template closing your style sheet that you want to utilize for the current element. And then you will have a script which will take responsibility of managing activities on that particular element by providing four important lifecycle functions. First lifecycle function is created. If you want to do some task when that element is created in an application, you can go and you can specify that within the function. Second is entered view. When that particular template will be added to a particular view in form of directory to be displayed to the end user, it will make call to entered view. Whenever focus will be exited from the current element, it will make call to a function called left view. And finally, whenever there is change in attribute of that particular element, it will fire a function called as attribute changed. So life cycle of element would be created, entered view, left view, and attribute changed view. In response to these life cycle transitions, you can do certain activities in order to keep user engaged while different events are getting fired. In this video, we discussed how actually we can use Yeoman and Polymer together to reap benefit of Polymer framework in order to build applications which can be utilized in modern browsers.